Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we're selling a 1975 Suzuki TS185 Enduro. And we took this bike in on trade, and don't know much about it. It has 11,553 miles. It's original paint. The inside of the gas tank's like new. We did have the seat recovered. It was kind of gooned when we got it. It appears to be in good shape. Tires look decent. So anyway, the bike's been sitting for a while. So we're gonna try to start it up. I got it on reserve. Don't know much about these bikes. I'm trying to find the choke actually. There's the choke right there. Bike's perfectly cold. Been a while since it's been started. There's some gasket down in there. Let's see what happens here. Second kick. I don't know. It's got a bad battery, so it doesn't need a battery to start. I don't know much about the Suzukis. It's missing a knob here. The high-low or the on-off light. We got lights? Oh, we got lights. High-low. I don't see a tail light on or the horn's not working, but we got a headlight. We'll check the transmission. Bike seems to run nice, idle's nice. We're just selling it as is. Don't know much about the lights. The right guy could probably fix all this. No neutral light. So tachometer works. Speedometer works. You know, needs a nice cleanup, but this would be a nice everyday bike to go to the grocery store on, or a trail ride or whatever. And it does come with a title, and it is street legal. Not sure about the issues with the lights, as we said before. Maybe it needs a battery or something, but the headlight works, so I don't know. Possible low-cost shipping to the East Coast during the Christmas holidays. Let us know what you think. And we're going to be offering this at no reserve. It's got to go. Okay, thanks a lot.